Is the Steadfast Haven CO detector a dangerous scam? Let's get right to it. I've been seeing ads all over social media for this so-called life-saving gadget. The problem? There are some major red flags you need to know about. First, the advertising looks fishy. They use AI-generated firefighter images and dramatic stories designed to scare you into buying fast. But when I dug deeper, I couldn't find one single real-life review from a verified buyer. That's never a good sign. Then there's the biggie: certification. Legitimate carbon monoxide detectors are always certified by agencies like UL or CSA. These certifications mean the device has been tested for safety and reliability. Steadfast Haven doesn't have any of these. In other words, you can't trust it to save your life in an emergency. I also checked out the company's reputation, and honestly, it's a mess. The name Steadfast is used by totally unrelated businesses around the world, from couriers to security firms. It's confusing, and maybe that's intentional. Plus, experts and consumer watchdogs are calling this brand out as a likely scam. Here's the bottom line: for something as serious as carbon monoxide safety, only trust well-known brands you can find at major retailers. I recommend First Alert, known for long-lasting batteries and dual sensor tech, or Kitty, which offers models with digital displays. If you have health concerns, look for low-level CO monitors that can catch problems early. And please, remember, CO detectors need to be replaced every 5 to 10 years. Sensors wear out over time. If your alarm ever sounds 4 quick beeps and then a pause, that means danger. Get outside immediately and call emergency services. Don't risk your family's safety on a sketchy product.